My first book of the year that I've just finished is called Range, and you need to read this if you consider yourself to be a generalist or a hyper specialist. So maybe you're really good at one particular thing, or you're hyper specializing in a particular discipline or niche, versus if you are someone who likes dabbling, you like trying lots of different things, and maybe you don't think you're really good at anything, you're just okay at lots of different things. I am the latter, and I recently made a video saying how being a generalist was always something I was really embarrassed about and thought it was a weakness of mine. And now, in fact, I think it's my superpower. And this book really solidifies that thinking for me. Now, he's not saying that you shouldn't be a specialist. There will always be a need in this world for people who are highly specialized at a given discipline, a given skill, or in a given industry. But he really makes the case for why it's a good thing to dabble, to experiment, to try lots of different things, particularly things that don't really seem related to each other. So they're like cross-domain skills or activities. He even compares athletes. One really important point he makes is that just because you don't get into something early doesn't mean you're going to fall behind. Now, there are so many different benefits to trying lots of different things, right? You get exposed to different types of people and different types of life experiences. You can hopefully solve more complex problems because you have a wider understanding and exposure to things. And if something spikes your interest enough that you want to tinker with it, whether it's to make money or as a hobby, don't ignore that.